Hey everyone, today we're at 1473 Westgate Drive. This is in Greenville, North Carolina. We're right near the hospital. I'm Alyssa with Flagship Property Management, and let's take a look inside. As you can see walking up, we had a really cute front porch area, perfect for some chairs. And as we head inside, you see this really open concept home. These floors are beautiful. This fireplace is very, very nice here. And this area over here could be a kitchen nook, it could be anything, but it's right outside our kitchen. This kitchen is really nice. I love these countertops that go with these cabinets really well. I really like these countertops and these cabinets. Right off the kitchen, we have this really large pantry, lots and lots of storage for everything possible. Let's head outside real quick since it is right off our kitchen. We have a sliding glass door and a fenced in backyard. Really nice area, and it's fenced in like I said, so very nice. And let's head back inside. There is another door going outside from the back of the kitchen, but you have two options based on what you want to do. So as we head over here, we have our washer and dryer and some storage above. And as we go in here, we have our master bedroom. So this is bedroom number 1, and it is our master. We have a closet over here. The door size may be deceiving, but it is a very large closet on the inside. Lots and lots of storage for everyone, multiple layers of shelves. As you can hear, the fire detector is going off, but that will be fixed and will be updated before you move in. As we head into our bathroom, we have a single sink and a shower tub in here. Very nice. As we head back out, into our main living area. The master suite is put off a little bit from the other bedrooms, but the other bedrooms are not far away. Since we're looking right at it, let's look at bathroom number 2. This is again a single sink, bathtub, shower. Very nice. I love the cabinets that are taken throughout the house. And this is bedroom number 2. It's a good size and lots of natural light in here with a big, big window. And let's head over here to bedroom number 3. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom. And thanks for joining Flagship Property Management today, guys. Thanks for touring our house, and have a great day.